There's mud everywhere. Hey, welcome back for another video. I'm actually on my way to LKQ right now. We're gonna go pull some of the parts that we need for the car. If you're new here, you might not know that we won a car at Copart for $225. We have already removed all of the damaged parts, and now we just need to replace those parts. I never really asked for subscribers at the beginning of the video. It seems like I've been getting a lot of views, but barely any subscribers. So I'm gonna take this moment to ask that you'd hit that subscribe button and join me for the rest of these videos on this car. We're on our way there, and yeah. If you've never been to LKQ, it's pretty much just a salvage yard where you can come out and pull all of your own parts off the cars that they have. A lot of the cars have a lot of good parts that you can get for half the price of what you would spend at it, getting them new, but you gotta pull them off yourself. So let's go get our parts. So last time I was out here, I found a car that has no front end damage. Let's see if it's still here, see if anybody's pulled parts off of it yet. But it was perfect. Oh, it's somebody. Here it is. Gonna have the radiator and everything that we need. That's it right there, that's what we need. So I'm leaving LKQ. I just loaded all the parts up in the back of the truck. We got the AC condenser, the radiator core support. We got the passenger headlight. Most of the tubing and stuff that goes to the radiator and the AC compressor, we got that. It's all kind of together in one piece. But every time I come here, I feel like I'm getting raped with the prices, so I don't know why I keep coming here. It's almost $300 for a little bit of the stuff that I need. I still need both fenders and the hood hinges, front bumper. I think that's it. Getting close. I don't know if I'm gonna come back here for the rest of the parts. Some of the plastic by the fan was cracked and busted on there. And I asked him if he'd get a discount for it being broken, because it's not gonna look new when I put it in there. And he said, no, all the prices are fixed. It's like, man, come on. So now we're on our way home and we're gonna start installing these parts. Red light. Okay, so when we're going to hook up this side of the radiator core support, if you look right here, you can see, looks like it's actually at a downward angle. So I'm gonna have to bend this thing back up straight so that it'll line up with our core support. It did get bent a little right here from the wreck. So we're just gonna heat it up right here. I'm gonna take this heavy duty fence post, steel fence post, and I'm gonna put it underneath here like this. And then we're gonna take the jack and we're gonna start lowering the car. And then while this is heated up, and we're gonna try to get that to bend back up. So if you look at this side, this rubber deal is kind of going at an angle out like that when it should be going facing straight up. That one over there is straight up. So this one should be the same way. So I think we're all lined back up. Screwed in over there, screwed in over here. All the lines are hooked up. I had a problem with these riding on each other, but now they're not riding. So I got the radiator sport put on. Until we get the body panels, we really won't know if this is all lined up right. I think it's good to go. I can't tell until we get the hood and the fenders and the bumper. That's all that's left, and windshield. But as for now, we could probably fill up the radiator, fill up the rest of the fluids, drive this thing down the street. The radiator is hooked up, all the lines are hooked up, all the electrical is hooked back up. So that's gonna be it for this part of the Copart car. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit that notification bell so you know when the next video comes out and see us finish up this car. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for checking out the video. See you later.
Peace.